All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back out here at I-77 tonight. Josh is racing late models. It's $1,500 to win. And Steven is also racing sport mods. It's his first night actually racing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Steven's racing this car. This is number 6. This is his car here. Of course, you guys know Josh racing 32T. You want to say anything to your fans?
What's up?
You guys driving?
All kinds of people out here tonight, guys.
Completely full show. Every spot of this track is coming out.
Okay, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
Tell me how everything's going to go for you tonight.
All right, now I'm hoping for at least somewhere in the top 5 or top 10 for a qualify. I hope not. I hope not to be main, but if I am, I'll probably be in the top 2 of it, so I transfer.
This is your first time racing, right?
Nope, I drove his car.
You drove his car?
I drove Tyler's car.
Oh, okay.
Hit the wall, but we don't speak about that.
I'll make sure to cut that one out.
Oh no, you leave it in there, it's okay. Apparently Jackie's gonna be my flagman today.
Jackie's gonna be the flagman?
Yeah, he was. They just called him to shoot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I
didn't know he was here. I didn't even see it.
Yeah, he's up there helping, you know, the competitors.
Oh.
All right, guys, we're walking up. Check out the track. Tonight, Josh is racing with the late models. See how he does in that. He's made a few adjustments. Can't tell you guys what he made, though.
Oh, yeah.
Running order, listen up. Running order, we got 4 classes. We got 4 consies right now. Late models, street stocks, UMPs, sport mods. Watch the lineup board. Top 5, I think, in each heat goes to the feature. The rest of you go to the consi.
All right, guys, driver's meeting is over. Late models are about to go up for qualifying. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure you drop us a like and a comment, and you guys see qualifying here shortly.
Money Gibson, Kenny Rucker, and Wild Bill Whited up next.
All right, guys, Josh qualified 4th in the super late model division. Steven qualified 16th out of 25 in the sport mod. And right now we're waiting on the heat races to start. We're gonna run down there, but I think they're getting ready to come up. So we're just gonna wait up here. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Make sure you drop us a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Rodney Cole, Buddy Brogan. I need you on the racetrack with American flags, please. We start our invocation and our national anthem tonight. United States Marine Sergeant Johnny Rosario, 25 years old. United States Marine Corporal Hunter Lopez, 22 years old. United States Marine Lieutenant Corporal Kareem Nakui, 22 years old. United States Marine Lieutenant Corporal Riley McCollum, 20 years old. United States Marine Lieutenant Corporal Jared Schmitz, 20 years old. United States Marine Lieutenant Corporal David Lee Espinoza, 20 years old. United States Navy Maxton Soviak, 20 years old. United States Marine Staff Sergeant Taylor Hoover, 31 years old. United States Marine Corporal Deegan Page, 23 years old. United States Army Ryan Canos, 23 years old. United States Marine Corporal Humberto Sanchez, 22 years old. United States Marine Sergeant Nicole G, 23 years old. United States Marine Ricky Thompson, 21 years old. We remember their names on this evening. Continue to stand and remove your... Bring it down to Chief Starter, Phil Parsons. And here we go.
be the end of Josh's night. Unfortunately, his rear end is broke. So he was running really good, running second his heat, qualified fourth. Unfortunately, bad luck hit again. So we're gonna stay here and we're gonna watch Steven race. So you guys stay tuned, hang in there for that.
Yeah, you too. We was on a roll. You should have seen us tonight, bro. It was on.
He ran a 13.53.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's a damn good
That's
time.
really good.
And that thing sat on dig all night long, bro.
All right.
Spun a center section out of it.
Gosh darn, man. It freaking sucks, dude. It sucks. I was so damn excited for that heat, too. I was like, hell yeah.
I was up there on the corner. I was like, God, man, Greg asshole ass on this.
Hey, where's your driver at?
I don't know. I think he's out playing games. He don't get back, I'll be in the driver's seat. But he is ready to go now. He is ready.
All right, guys. We are waiting on Steven to no, not qualify. We are waiting on Steven to race his heat race. That's what he's running. You guys know Ryan drove it last time. Steven's driving this week. And Tyler's getting it ready for him.
Yeah. What happens, they take your parts, they take your trailer, and they work your back off. I said that's what happens when you break.
Oh, shit. or not overweight, I'm sorry, for being underweight. We will see you guys next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you drop us a comment, and please hit that like button.